Please welcome Ashwini, Nita, Yogesh and Rohan.
So friends, can some of you tell me one social issue that affects you the most?
I think you're wondering why we have asked you this question because my friend and I have faced this similar question when we went for our internship.
The organization which we were interning was Welspun India Limited. They are into textile and manufacturing. The department which we were interning was the product designing department. So our internship at Welspun for the product designing was for a social cause.
We interviewed Welspun staff and our family members to get their opinion about youth design. And this, when in our team, we had an argument. We were told that the girls should not wear short clothes. But they and one of the staff members told that it's the matter of a freedom and choice. And so we were convinced about it.
After selecting the topic, we learned about the process of making product that Welspun follows.
We also learned how products are designed and are manufactured.
Punctuality was necessary. Focus and hard work was very important for us. So I have designed this poster because I want to spread awareness by putting this on different places.
I have designed a mug which has a cross for the fears that women faces and the changeness to be brought.
I have designed a t-shirt and on my t-shirt there is a girl's profile. The words written inside are all good qualities and the words written outside are all such problems which she faces in her daily life.
So I have designed this coaster set because I think it's cool to respect women and I tell that the youth should also respect the women.
The topic of my workshop is drawing from within. We know how we are from outside and within us there are so many emotions that express us that which kind of person we are from inside. जब हमें क्लास में कोई टास्क दिया जाता है तो हम बिना सोचे समझे किसी और ने क्या किया है उसको कॉपी करते हैं. We don't even push ourselves enough to think. So here you have 5 minutes to express your feeling on the paper. So my internship was with Sheetal Mehta. Sheetal Mehta is an art specialist graduated from JJ School of Arts and her tagline is drawing from within. This is also one of the biggest reasons that I chose the topic drawing from within for my presentation. My internship was all about how to conduct art classes, get it organized with the materials, how to time manage and also how to dealing with the kids. In that process, I even started pushing myself to think differently. If you want to do career in art, you should be hard worker, creative thinker and the most important thing, you should love art from within.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Pradeep Kale and I am a design class student. I dreamed of becoming an artist one day. Then one day we learned about photography. I thought I could become a good photographer too. My dreams are more like clouds. They don't have specific shape and they keep changing. I realized that art in any form excites me. Art is a tool that never goes away from me. Art constantly inspires me. My 2-week long internship was at H. Azuma, which is actually designing boutique. When I started the internship, I had set myself a couple of goals that I wanted to achieve from this experience. When I stepped into the Azuma office, I can really say it opened up the world that I had no clue existed. Learning about jewelry designing itself was a new chapter in my life. I wanted to say something that I realized the art of making jewelry is almost a dying art form. In our generation, we give more values like engineering, banking, medicine, etc., which are also important. But this is a beautiful art form and we should not let it die.
Do you know, Zinat, my dream is to become a fashion designer. So when I got opportunity in internship as fashion designing, I grabbed it with my both hands. Good afternoon, Didis, Bhaias and all my dear friends. I am Zinat. I am Pooja. And today we are going to take you closer to fashion design, which was our dream. We went to another place called Gulab to learn more and really learn a lot. Gulabo design and manufacture ethnic and Indo-Western dress for girls. It is a cloth workshop.
We realized that it is not easy to become a fashion designer. I needed to be good at everything, apart from drawing and painting.
It is not easy as it looks. just to design an outfit and sell it, but it needs lot of hard work and planning. And the design should attract buyer too. At the end of the internship, we try to apply whatever we learn. And here it is. Do watch out for Pooja and Zenith Designers label.
Don't you know me? I'm Supandi, Tinkle superhero.
I think you're also forgetting me. I am Shikari Shampoo. Don't you know the meaning of the word Shikari? What? You're from Tinkle?
Was I talking in Kannada before?
I am from Tinkle too.
Really?
Not only you and me. All the people who read Tinkle and many people sitting right over here are a part of Tinkle.
There is no issue that Amar Chitra Katha is world's largest selling comic series.
The motive of our internship project was to learn how a comic book is made and published.
On 22nd April, we will be there at 9:30, Raghuvanshi Mill compound where Amar Chitra Katha office is located.
Through our internship project, we got some benefits, which are
We got sales and marketing planning, we got some computer knowledge, and we learned how to make a comic book.
most beneficial was that we got to work with the world's largest selling comic book, which is Amar Chitra Katha.
We also learned about some software with Adobe Illustrator CS3. This is used by the page layout artist. Teamwork is one of the most important things in Amar Chitra Katha or Tinkle's office. We got inspired by this teamwork and created a small storybook, comic book. It has summary of our internship.
So I would like Ruchi Didi to inaugurate the book.